Hey guys, once again welcome back to you all in my channel। आज हम बात करने वाले हैं टैक्स के बारे में जो कि है वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट। वैसे कितना लोगों को टैक्स के बारे में कम्प्लीटली पता है? Most probably very few। बेसिक तो सबको मालूम है कि टैक्स वो होता है जो गवर्नमेंट को पब्लिक देना पड़ता है for each and everything one by। As tax is one of the major sources of income for government। अगर कोई सोचता है कि why government take tax or collect tax, it's because one or the other way for the welfare of the society। आज अगर कहीं सड़कें बन रहा है, schools, hospitals, etc. तो वो पब्लिक के लिए होता है। If anybody hides his or her own money and denies to give tax to government, that becomes black money। सभी लोगों को मालूम ही होगा कि ये ब्लैक मनी क्या है। तो अगर आप ब्लैक मनी के ऊपर पूरा वीडियो चाहते हो तो कमेंट कीजिए नीचे। आज मैं टैक्स के बारे में डिस्कस करूंगा इस वीडियो में कि what actually tax is, types, what are income tax, क्योंकि इट्स वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट व्हाइल इन्वेस्टिंग इन स्टॉक मार्केट। सिर्फ यही नहीं, सभी लोगों को टैक्स के बारे में मालूम होना चाहिए ताकि नो वन हैव कंफ्यूजन अबाउट टैक्स। लेट्स स्टार्ट। तो किसी भी देश को स्मूथली रन करने के लिए गवर्नमेंट को टैक्स कलेक्ट करना ही पड़ता है। एलिजिबल सिटीजंस एज इट इज एन इंटीग्रल पार्ट ऑफ एवरीवन्स लाइफ। मैटर नहीं करता हम लोग कहाँ रहते हैं। Tax can be collected in any form such as state taxes, central government taxes, direct and indirect taxes, etc. In order to understand the tax system, we will divide taxation in India into two categories. एक है direct tax, दूसरा है indirect tax. Firstly, we will know what are tax. Basically, tax is a mandatory fee या फिर financial charge जो कि किसी भी individual या फिर organization को देना पड़ता है government को for providing infrastructure facilities. If anyone denies to or fails to pay cess तो उनके ऊपर कार्रवाई हो सकती है। द प्रीडिफाइंड लॉ, सन हो या ऑर्गेनाइजेशन, हर किसी को टैक्स देना ही पड़ता है इन डिफरेंट फॉर्म्स। कमिंग टू द नेक्स्ट पॉइंट, वी विल सी द टाइप्स ऑफ टैक्सेस इन इंडिया। देयर आर टू टाइप्स ऑफ टैक्सेशन, वन इज डायरेक्ट टैक्सेस एंड द अदर वन इज इनडायरेक्ट टैक्स। सो इन द केस ऑफ डायरेक्ट टैक्स, आप लोगों को नाम से ही मालूम चल गया होगा कि डायरेक्ट टैक्स का मतलब क्या है। इज अ टाइप ऑफ टैक्स व्हिच implies that this tax is paid directly to the government by the taxpayer. Examples of this type of tax in India are income tax and wealth tax. In indirect tax, if we see, वैसे indirect tax थोड़ा different है direct tax से। The collection method is also a bit different. These taxes are consumption based. यह ज्यादातर goods या फिर services में लगाया जाता है when they are bought and sold. In this system, the payment is received by the government from the sellers of goods or services. The seller in turn passes the tax on the end user, that is buyer of the goods or services. It is called indirect tax. So the examples of indirect taxes are sales tax, goods and services tax, value added tax, etc. Next हम लोग जानेंगे recent reforms in taxes. In the year 2017, the government introduced goods and services tax, जो कि है GST, which is considered as the most revolutionary tax reform in independent India to date. इससे पहले भी गवर्नमेंट ने टैक्स कलेक्ट किया through various state and central taxes for availing various services or buying different goods. Problem with the earlier reforms was the taxation process was complex. लोगों को समझ में नहीं आता था, and the contradicting rules enabled some people to evade taxes through loopholes in the system. So soon after the introduction of GST, a higher percentage of SSCs was brought under the taxation umbrella, and it took a toll on evaders as escaping from paying taxes became tougher. So we already know what is tax and what are the different types of taxation system in India. So अभी हम बात करेंगे इनकम टैक्स के बारे में। What is income tax? Most common type of tax that eligible citizens have to pay to the government. A part of your income is paid to the government every year. वो पैसा गवर्नमेंट यूज करता है support the growth and development activities across the country. So income tax के अंदर चलिए जानते हैं some important points. Who is income tax assessee? ये वो individual होता है who is liable to file taxes and fall in the payable income tax slab. Is an income tax assessee. Next point है income tax slabs. क्या है ये income tax slabs? As mentioned earlier, not all individuals shall pay the same amount of tax. The general rule is the higher your income, the higher amount of tax you will have to pay. Government tax rates and rules को ensure करने के लिए income tax slabs use करता है कि कौन कितना income tax दे. We will also know about the income tax deductions. Citizens having taxable income in excess of rupees 2.5 lakhs are liable to pay income tax as per their applicable slab. वैसे भी अगर आप लोग टैक्स से बचना चाहते हैं तो there are some tax saving options जैसे ALSS, म्यूचुअल फंड्स, PPF, EPF, saver, fixed deposits, यही और भी बहुत सारा है which can be used to reduce the income tax payable by an an individual. A majority of these tax saving schemes are available under sections 80C and 80D of the Income Tax Act 1961. Next है tax deducted at source, जिसको TDS कहा जाता है. It is considered as one of the most common ways of deducting tax by the government from the any salaried individual. जो लोग government job करता है, उनका salary से every month deduct होता है, or they get salary into their hand. The TDS कहा जाता है. However, in this case, also the tax assessee can get a refund after filing the income tax returns. So अगर मैं बात करूँ how it is related to the stock market and investing, then जब भी कभी आप invest करते हो, you need to pay the taxes based on your investment. So it is very good that we are building our nation contributing what we have. वैसे भी तो हम लोग tax देते ही हैं while buying goods or services. I hope this video is informative. Please comment on what topic should I make the video next week. So आज के लिए इतना ही. अगर आप लोगों को वीडियो पसंद आया तो लाइक शेयर एंड सब्सक्राइब जरूर करें if you are new to this channel. चलिए मिलते हैं next week with new topic. This is channel's host signing off. Thank you.